What's up, YouTube? This is Ben coming at you with a review of the Weld Hood Beats Plus Breeze. This unit is for welding helmets, and one of the freaking biggest benefits of this thing is that it puts a nice cool breeze on your forehead while you get to listen to some tunes with the little built-in Bluetooth speaker. This unit is battery powered. It charges off of a micro USB port that's right here on the side. They include this nice little dust cover that goes on the micro USB port. The cool thing about this unit is that this has two 3000 milliamp batteries, giving you a total of 6000 milliamps, which is going to be giving you about roughly an 8 to 10 hour runtime. Could be longer depending on how long you leave your speakers on or if you run both at the same time. But that 8 to 10 hours runtime is for both having the speakers and the fans on at the same time. I want to point out that these particulate filters that it has over the fan, it does block some of the airflow, but it's going to give you longer lasting use out of this unit. It's going to protect your fan motors from gunking up from all that welding smoke. You can take them off if you want a little more airflow, but I'm going to leave them on. You also have the same type of filter inside where the speaker grill's at. That's going to protect the speaker from building up any dust, and it's also going to prevent any water from getting inside to the speaker inside your case. It's not completely waterproof. If you dunk this in a bucket of water, you will destroy your unit, so don't do that. It's mostly for humidity and sweat from not getting inside of the case. Now, in terms of build quality, this case is very strong. There is no flex. I cannot flex this myself. If I wanted to, I could probably hulk it in half, but I'm not going to do that because I just bought this thing. But yeah, the fan mounts are very, very strong. Everything is put on with these small little Phillips screws that you can easily replace. The case is 3D printed and it's made out of very, very nice plastic. It has a great feel to it with no flex on it at all. You only have two buttons on this unit that you're going to be using. This is to turn on the speaker. The other one is to turn on the fan. So you push this one, fans turn on. It's just an on and off push button switch. In terms of the speaker, the coolest thing about that is when you turn that on, you get this cool little blue light. As soon as it pairs, music turns on. I have this speaker hooked up to my Samsung Galaxy Watch. So the cool thing about that is I can actually control the volume right from my watch and turn it all the way up. Yeah. I gotta use this royalty-free music. I went ahead and paused it right there. Turn off the unit. I'm going to show you guys what this looks like in my ESOP Sentinel. My baby right here, right on the side. I got this beautiful, beautiful little decal kit off of eBay. It's the Luke Skywalker Rebel pilot helmet. I already have my Velcro set up on the inside, and I already have the Velcro attached to this. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to put this into the helmet. So you just get it, you line it up to where it's going to go, center it, and you push it in place. That's it. It's in. It's installed. There's no other tricks to it. It's already in. It's not going to fall out. It's Velcroed in place. Now the cool thing about that is that when you put the helmet on and you snap it in place, it does not interfere with the movement of the helmet. So you can go up and down. It doesn't get in the way of the straps. Let's see here. I did talk to Weld about it, and I asked him a few questions before I made this video. I wanted to know more technical specs on this little speaker. So he did tell me that all the parts on this are replaceable, so if you want to replace the fans, you can. They are soldered on, or no, I think he said that they're actually plugged in. The speaker is soldered on. So you can replace those parts if you need to. What else? Oh, these things are completely customizable. So if you wanted to get this in an orange or a green, whatever color casing you want, hit them up. They will print out a custom 3D printed case just for you. If you want to get your own logo, like this Weld logo on the side, they can do your own logo here on the top or here on the bottom, whatever you want to do. They can pretty much print whatever you want on this thing. They can even do different colors if you want. I already went over the runtime, went over the batteries. In terms of the batteries, for all their units, you're going to be getting 6,000 milliamp batteries in the Hood Breeze, the Hood Beats Plus Breeze, and the Hood Woofers Plus Breeze. I'm hoping later on in the future I can upgrade to the Hood Woofers and Breeze if I wanted to get it a little louder, but right now I'm in welding school. I'm not trying to, bump out the whole classroom. I just need some tunes while I'm making my pad of beads. But the cool thing about this unit is that if you're a lazy asshole like how I am and you forget to charge your unit, you can plug in your micro USB cable to the back of this unit and have it plugged into a portable battery pack, and you can be using this unit while it's charging. It's not going to charge very fast, but you will be able to use the unit while it's charging. Now, included in the little accessory kit is you get a little thank you card from them, a handwritten note, which is really awesome of them. You get 2 extra covers. On mine, since I told him I was putting it on the Sentinel, he put the most curved cover on it. But you get this smaller flat mount, and then this not as extreme curved cover on it as well. These should let your hood beats plus breeze fit on something like a Miller, Speed, what is that thing called? Speed Glass, the 3M1. Lincolns, any generic helmet. So they have different options, so you can put this on any hood that you have. Another cool thing is that they also provide you with extra screws and another extra little rubber cap, so if you lose any of those parts, you can replace them right away. But definitely give this little unit out a try, man. It's worth $100, especially if you're going to be keeping you a few degrees colder in your hood. Me, I'm a fat ass. I'm constantly sweating, so for me to be able to have an extra breeze inside my hood and to have some beats in there, it's going to be awesome. It's going to make those hours under the hood so much easier. So a shout out to Weld for sending this out to me and letting me review this unit. I paid full price for this. I'm not sponsored by the guys or nothing, but whenever I have a product that I really like and enjoy, I like to represent them. I like to pretty much promote their item, because I want people to know about these things. I want other welders to know that, hey, you can get something that's going to provide some nice airflow and some sounds into your welding helmet without spending hundreds of dollars to modify it. This is something that you can have in different hoods. You can put this Velcro on any other hood you want, and you can just transfer this unit from unit to unit. It all runs off your phone. So if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I told Weld, hey, you guys go ahead and hit up my video and answer any questions you guys have, or hit them up on Messenger. They're really good at getting back to you on your Messenger. They answer within a couple minutes. Just don't do what I did and hit them up at 10 o'clock at night, because they're on East Coast time, so I was hitting up at like 1 in the morning and waking these dudes up. But they're real hard workers. They got my unit out to me in about a week turnaround time, so definitely give them a try and let me know how yours works out. Thanks again for watching my video. This is Ben. Don't subscribe to my channel. I don't upload these very often. I'm not doing this for promotion. I'm not doing this for money. I just do this because I like making these videos and informing the public of awesome products that are out there in the market. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you guys have a good one. Oh, let's turn it on one more time so you guys can hear that. The tunes. The super tune. Oh, what? That music sucks.